a small village, a kind-hearted mother cat lived with her little kitten. She was loving and caring, always looking after her child. The kitten was playful and curious, always running around. One day, the mother cat went out in search of food. Before leaving, she gently warned her kitten, "My dear, stay inside until I return. It is dangerous outside." The kitten nodded and promised to obey. However, after a while, the kitten heard birds chirping outside. Excited, he decided to step out and see. As soon as he went outside, a big wild cat spotted him and rushed toward him. The kitten became scared and cried out, "Mother, mother, help me." The mother cat, hearing her kitten's cry, ran back as fast as she could. She stood bravely in front of the wild cat and said firmly, "This is my child. Do not harm him." The wild cat glared at her, but seeing the mother's courage, it backed away. The mother cat picked up her kitten and gently said, "My dear, you must always listen to your mother. Disobedience can lead to trouble." The kitten, feeling guilty, lowered his head and said, "I promise, mother, I will always listen to you from now on." With a loving smile, the mother cat carried her kitten inside, where she hugged him and put him to sleep.